pwede ulitin yung...
Pwedeng...
yung... No. Or pwede ulitin.
Pwede ulitin lang. That's so easy.
Or I say, it depends. Sinasabi ko lang.
Anong ibig mo sabihin? It depends. If I ask you...
Depende. Oh, wait, huh?
I'm lost.
Oh, no. What I say to Big Brother. Pwede ulitin, hindi ko po naintindihan.
Anong hindi naintindihan mo?
Do you use po when you say
Actually, I use like,
dito lang narinig ko po.
Dude, or... Nah, I say po. Or minsan, kuya. Recently.
I say po. Dito lang sa Pilipinas narinig ko po. Kasi sa Canada, bihira ko narinig yan. Kasi, siguro kasi my parents are older. So they say, ho. Minsan, I know ho.
Ho?
Ho.
Where's that?
Kung hindi masyadong, like, matanda sa'yo. So, siguro
Talaga?
like, for...
That's Pinoy? That's
yes.
Filipino?
Po is like,
ho?
If you're speaking to a crowd, sa malaking audience, po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Or, kung pwede ako,
so, isang tao lang...
I can say ho to you. Say ho. Kasi hindi ko...
Wag. Wag yun.
In between ho. Okay. You don't say anything, right? Po and po.
Hindi ko narinig that word being used ever.
Like, halimbawa, yung magulang ko, sinasabi nila, ho, sa, okay, say they're 50, someone that's 60.
Oh, ganyan?
Or, Mang Thomas, or Mang
Tomas.
Okay, say someone's name is, okay, wait a minute, I have to think for a second.
Talaga, tama. Variant of po.
What do they call this person? What did I say kanina?
Wait, what exactly is Mang Tomas?
Oh no, Thomas is just a name.
You said Mang Tomas.
You say Mang, kasi they say.
But you know Mang Tomas is a flavor, right?
The flavor of what?
It's like a liver type of spread. Not spread, but ano mo yung... There's some ganina. Well, not ganina, but noon may bottle ng kulay ng parang Mang Tomas.
Hindi.
It's my favorite.
Ko lang,
I'm so lost.
Oh, hindi. Kasi yung magulang ko meron silang kaibigan, yung pangalan niya, Thomas.
Okay.
So, sinasabi nila, Mang Thomas kasa, like, kuya or tito, right? Kasi they're both older, pero that person's a little bit older than them. So they say Mang Thomas.
Okay.
Like, Mang Pepe. What's the one for the female? Mang Lydia? M? Okay, I see. I don't know if I'm spelling it right. M-A-N-G. I don't think I'm spelling it right.
With a G?
Yep, M-A-N-G is how I would spell it, because that's how I hear it. Pero hindi na, wala.